Welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to show you how to create a simple almond acrylic extension nail. I already prepped the nail. I push back the cuticle, remove the shine of the surface of the nail. I'm gonna apply the nail prep dehydrator and 1 coat of acid-free primer on the natural nail plate. So now I'm gonna use Max Adhesion with Natural Beige acrylic powder to do the extension. So I'm gonna pick up a bead and place it just between the nail and the form. And now I'm going to pick my second bead and place it near the cuticle area and drag the product down. Place your third bead and do your apex. And now we're going to let it dry a little bit to pinch the extension. Now we're going to place the pinching tool and press to make a nice C-curve. Now we can remove a free form. Now we're going to do a filing routine. So side wall first. Then do the free edge. The cuticle area. And then the rest of the nail. So now, when you've finished your filing, use a white block and smooth the surface of the extension. And now I'm gonna use pure acetone on the wipe to smooth the acrylic. So you can leave the nail like that. I love the matte effect. Or you can use the Urban Graffiti top coat to give a little bit of shine effect. Or you can even do a design on this nail, and that's what we're going to do. I hope you like it. All the products used will be listed below. Until next time, au revoir!